Okay, good morning to Kannada present over here. First of all, just I will introduce myself. I am Dr. K. Bhupati. I have completed MA Industrial Engineering from Kodugu College of Technology, and also I have completed PhD in Mechanical Engineering. In my research topic is the investigations on tool life enhancement of a tungsten carbide turning itself for manufacturing industry. I am having more than 19 years teaching experience from various engineering colleges. Since 2014 onwards, I am working in Excel Engineering College nearly 10 years. Okay, this is my short profile. Now we will discuss about elements of cost. Now, what do you mean by cost? Any idea about cost? Cost may be defined as a system of accounts which is systematically and accurately records in every expenditure in order to determine the cost of the product. Why I am choosing this topic means if you are producing any product, cost is one of the major factor, and also it is the essential factor for producing any product. So only I am choosing this topic. Now we will see about the elements of cost. Actually, elements of cost it involves material cost, labor cost, and then expenses. This elements of cost involves material cost, labor cost, and expenses. Material cost is also further classified into direct material and then indirect material. Direct material is the material which becomes a part of the product. For example, steel, wood. Steel is used for making shaft. Wood is used for making the chair, table, etc. Direct material is also called as raw material, and in the next one is the indirect material. Indirect material is that material which cannot be traced as a part of the product. We are maintaining the industry, for example, of lubricant, grease, coolant, waste, etc. It is considered indirect material. The second important element of cost is the labor cost. Labor cost is also further classified into two types, that is direct labor and another one is the indirect labor. Direct labor is one of the manufacturing of particular product. Direct labor is employed in the manufacturing of any particular product at a specific cost of unit. Example for special jigs and fixtures. Indirect labor is the labor cost is the non-productive staff, that is called indirect labor. Next one is the expenses. Apart from material cost and labor cost is the expenses. Expenses is also further classified into two types, that is direct expenses and another one indirect expenses. Indirect expenses is considered four categories, that is factory expenses, admission expenses, selling expenses, distribution expenses. Factory expenses means, for example, of rent. Distribution means loading and unloading. These are all the considered the expenses. So the total material cost and labor cost and expenses is the total cost of the product. That is the elements of cost. Okay, thank you.